Good morning, this is David Bartley from Bartley Realty, 239-261-1186, and I'm here at Tollhouse Industrial Suites, taking a look at what the concrete guys did. They put up the boards for the initial foundation. Next up, we have the plumber, electrician to do all the underground. Once that is done, we'll be able to get a slab poured. It should be a few weeks from now. We'll have a slab poured, and these units will be ready in September of this year. For more information about Tollhouse Industrial Suites, give me a call, 239-261-1186.